Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. We stopped drinking tea with lemon. After learning the reason, you will start doing the same. We are used to drinking tea with lemon several times a day. But is it really as useful as they say? Maybe tea with lemon has a dark side? Lemon is really rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. It is recommended to use for colds and slimming. But, when you add a lemon to tea, it can destroy the stomach mucosa, gastritis, and ulcer, a disease that affects all lovers of tea with lemon. Replace the lemon with milk or herbs that you can safely add to the tea, if you have discovered these diseases. If you get sick and drink tea with lemon, do not make the main mistake of most people. They drink this drink in shock quantities. Vitamin C is necessary to the body, but if you overdo it, it starts to act as an irritant of the nervous system. You do not drink an unlimited amount of synthetic energy. Also from the sweet tea with lemon suffers tooth enamel. The acid with sugar gives a specific reaction that can spoil your teeth and provoke caries. Lemon is a very useful thing. The juice of one lemon contains 33% of the daily normal vitamin C, and 1 tablespoon lemon peel minus 13%. Lemon juice is rich in organic potassium, which is necessary for the normal functioning of the cardiovascular system and kidneys, and it is also a source of citrine. But in order to provide the body with vitamins, do not have to eat the whole lemon. And to lay him down, too, is not worth it. Tannin, a substance in tea, reacts with citric acid. And if you do not see a negative result immediately, in the future you will feel it. So, the main question of the day, how many cups of tea with lemon can be drunk a day? Scientists claim that no more than 3 healthy people, and a patient, no more than 6. Pregnant women should not drink tea with lemon more than 2 cups a day, and it is better to refrain from it altogether. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.